How to log into your Citizens Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Citizens Bank's online banking account. So to do that, simply go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address part, type in Citizens Bank. After that, go to the link which says citizensbank.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Citizens Bank, where in order to log into your account, you'll have to basically tap on the login option which is on the top right side of your screen. After that, you'll have to choose whether your account is a personal or small business account, cash flow essentials, commercial services, or credit card online services. Simply choose the one and then tap on the option login. After that, in order to log in, simply enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you will have successfully logged in or signed in to your Citizens Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your username or your password, you can simply reset or recover them by tapping the option trouble logging in / password change. And once you've done that, you can simply enter your credentials and log into your account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.